E is for apple, crunchy and red, what a snack. B is for ball, bounce it high and give a clap. C is for cat, curled up napping on the mat. D is for dog, bleeding holes and wagging back. E is for elephant, big gray ears and loves to eat. F is for fish, swimming fast and super sleek. G is for goat, chews on grass and leaps so free. H is for hat, put it on for sun or sleet. I is for igloo, made of ice, it's really neat. J is for jelly, wiggly jiggly, such a treat. K is for kite, fly it high up in the sky. L is for lion, roaring proud, oh my, oh my. M is for monkey, swings on trees and munches plums. N is for nose, smelling flowers, here it comes. O is for octopus, 8 arms dancing in the sea. P is for pizza, cheesy, saucy, yum for me. Q is for queen, wears a crown so royally. R is for robot, beep bop boop, come dance with me. S is for sun, shining down so warm and bright. T is for tiger, stripes and paws and teeth so white. U is for umbrella,